In this video, I'm going to show you how you can write in bullet points on. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to write your text in bullet points is pretty simple. Go to create and you can see I have here a text box. Enter your text. I'll wish to add a bullet points between the first and the second paragraph. To do so, I'll just go to the next line and then click on bullet list here. If you wish to use number bullet, you can use number list to do so. So for my case, I'll just stick to bullet list and here begin to write your items. So I can write my list here, maybe chat GPT. Then to go to the next bullet point, just tap on enter and then continue with your list like so. Now, should you want to discontinue bullet list, just hit enter twice and it will go back to the normal or to the intent. So that's how you can write bullet list in Reddit. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.